If you have a woodworking shop, more than likely you're going to have a drill press. And having a drill press in the shop is very essential to do so many different operations. But if you have that drill press, you need to be able to have it on a stand so that you can move it around. And I suggest putting the stand where it has the wheels on it. Now, I built this stand quite some time ago, and since then I have upgraded it a number of times, and I want to show you those different upgrades because I believe that you need to have all of the different drill bits and accessories that you need to be able to have a full functioning drill press right at hand, easy to be able to find. That helps to ensure that you have an organized shop. Today I'm going to show you several different features that I have added to my drill press stand that I did not show in the original video because those things have been added since I built the stand. And the first thing I've already mentioned is wheels. You need to make sure that you have wheels on your stand so that you can actually move it around. I also suggest have the type of wheels that you can lock down so that the drill press will not move. Now I put these locking wheels on all four sides, and that way the drill press will not move and it'll be stationary while I'm working on it. And then when I'm ready to move it again, just release it and I'm ready to roll it around. So that's the first feature that I really think that you need to add to your drill press stand so that you can have a very functional drill press that you can move anywhere in the shop. The next item is drawers. I love having the drawers in here, and I also love having the dividers. Put in this sliding tray, and that will pretty much double the function of your drawers to keep all the different items organized. Now I have the first two drawers that are the same size where I can store different boxes for the drill bits, and then in the third one I have a deeper drawer to be able to put the larger items. Next up is this case that I have so many drill bits in. I did not want to get rid of it because it kept the drill bits so organized. But this works perfect on the side. I can slide it in and out. I also have this little lever right here that I can just take the case out anytime that I need it and then just flip that back down and it holds it securely in place. This is a fantastic way to be able to keep the drill bits organized. The next two items really help you because this is a magnetic dish that I can put in the small parts and they don't drop on the floor. And then I added this magnetic bar. This is fantastic. I can just put the different drill bits here and have them ready at hand. And then there's this, not part of the drill press stand, but it helps to keep all of the different drill bits and accessories all in one location. And this carousel rolls around so it has all different types of the drill bits, and it keeps everything in one central location in the shop. And this is so important to be able to help keep an organized shop. And that's one of the things that I'm going to be working on this year, showing you many different organizational items that will help you stay organized, get you organized, and have a much better functional shop for the year 2025. I want to thank everybody for watching this video today, and I want to be able to give you a sneak peek in the upcoming video. Right now, I do not have a table for this drill press, and I want to be able to add a nice table to the drill press stand, and I want to be able to have the fence that goes on this where it has the vacuum built into it. Yeah, that's right. I don't think I've ever seen any drill press stand have the vacuum actually attached into the fence itself, and that's what I'm going to do. You're not going to want to miss out on that video. So please, by all means, if you liked the video today, I know it was short, give me a thumbs up, hit that little subscribe button right down there below, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video where I'm going to be building this drill press tabletop with some really nice features. And by the way, check out these videos over here because I got quite a few different things that's happening in my shop, and I think these videos will actually help you out too. So bye-bye everyone. See you real soon.